We are at the Obsessions Car Show on Iron Road and Lowe's in Tucson, Arizona, and we are about to look at some Corvettes. Here's a beautiful black one. Beautiful rear engine. Red. Another red one. Another silver rear engine with a C-3PO or skeleton in the passenger seat. That's interesting. And we come over here to another nice yellow one. Nice. I guess it's gray, silverish. Oh, here's a beautiful red one. Almost maroon like. This is the place to come if you want to see Corvettes. Beautiful Stingray. I love the engines in these Stingrays. Let's go take a peek. Look at that. 350 turbo. Another Stingray in silver. Beautiful white one. I love this convertible with the roll bar. There you go. Couple Corvettes for you. Love how the rear flares out. It's beautiful.